Being underweight can be the result of poor nutrition, so if you're looking to restore your body's energy to the fullest, try the next 5 healthy ingredients which are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and good calories. Number 1. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, peanuts, macadamia nuts, and many other in this family of tasty treats contain high levels of protein and healthy fats. 2 handfuls of this snack per day can easily add a few hundred healthy calories to your diet, which will work in your favor. If you don't like them as a quick snack, try introducing them in your daily meals as a topping. They're amazing in breakfasts and salads. Number 2. Potatoes and starches. Potatoes are the actual meal of champions because they contain glycogen, a substance that fuels sports training and competitive performance. Besides this, potatoes and other starchy carbs like oats, corn, squash, and quinoa are full of calories that can help you kickstart your diet. Nourishing and rich in carbs, potatoes also provide a good amount of nutrients and fiber which will boost your metabolism. Number 3. Bananas, mangoes, and dried fruit. If you're looking for an energy refill, try eating bananas and mangoes. They are packed with natural sugar, carbohydrates, and potassium. If you don't like them raw, try combining them with milk or yogurt for a hearty breakfast, and don't forget to choose ripe mango since it's better. Dried fruits are good too, adding antioxidants and micronutrients to the mix, and contrary to common belief, they actually keep their minerals. Number 4. Cereals and grains. Granola, bran, and oats can be excellent sources of carbs, calories, and healthy nutrients, but try avoiding those with added sugars. Grains like rice have very high potential for a healthy diet, containing lots of calories but very little fat, so add them to your lunch often. In the same category, you can add some baked goods too, like whole grain bread and seeded breads, which are tasty next to eggs and cheese. Number 5. Red meats and fish. Both red meat and oily fish are healthy sources of fats, providing high-quality protein that helps you build muscle. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids that help fight disease and improve not only eyesight and energy levels, but your mental health too. Because they contain creatine, the best muscle-building supplement, red meats promote body resistance and strength. Grill and enjoy. The secret to gaining weight is consistently eating more calories than you burn, but don't forget to also exercise to transform that excess into muscle. Besides eating these ingredients daily, make an effort to stick to your meal plans and also watch what and how much you drink. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more healthy tricks and tips, click the subscribe button and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.